Let's find the output of this Python program. So this is from last year CBSE computer science question paper. Let's get started. So here we have a function and the function name is exam 2026. Okay, and we have a given parameter. Then inside the function we have few statements and we have a function call. Let's understand each step of this code and solve it. Okay, fine. So let's get started. So we'll start from the function call actually. So what is there? The function name and the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this value will be passed to the given parameter. Okay, fine. So let me write given is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So inside the function we have new variable is equal to 0. So the initial value for new is 0. Okay. Then we have a while condition, while given. So given is not 0. So the while loop starts. Fine. We know that the given value is this, no? So the loop starts. So inside the loop we have a if condition. So what is it? If new modulus 2. Let's substitute it and see. So new modulus 2. What is new? 0. So 0 modulus 2 is 0. So if block, 0 means false. So if block will not get executed, the else block will get executed. So what is given in else? We have new is equal to new plus given modulus 5. Again, let me substitute. New plus equal to modulus 5. So what is the modulus? So what is the reminder for this? We'll get 1 as reminder. And then new is equal to new plus, which means 0 plus 1. So 1. So the updated value for new is 1. Okay, then we have a print statement. In print statement, what we have is new variable and end is equal to hyphen. So our expected output will be like, what is the updated value? It's 1, no. So let me write it here. 1 and n is equal to hyphen. So hyphen. So 1 hyphen. So this is our expected output from the first iteration. Okay. We have few more iterations to go. Okay. Then in the next line we have given floor division equal to 10. So this floor division by 10, no, it removes the last digit from the any positive integer. Okay, so here for given we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, floor division 10 gives 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll do the calculation here. Given floor division equal to 10, so that is equal to, what is it? 1 2 3 4 5 6, floor division 10. So it removes the last digit 6. So the updated value for given is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Okay, fine. Now again the loop continues till this given becomes 0. Okay. Let's continue the iteration. Let's continue with the next iteration, second iteration. With the updated values of new and given. This while loop continues till the given value becomes 0. So this time given is not 0. Okay. So inside the while loop we have if condition new modulus 2. So 1 modulus 2 is 1. This time if block gets executed because it is not 0. If is true. Inside if what we have, new is equal to new plus given modulus 10. Let's see. New plus equal to, so given is 1 2 3 4 5 modulus 10. So for modulus 10 always take the last digit as reminder. So it is 5. Okay. So now what is new value? 1, right? So new is equal to new plus. So 1 plus 5. So it is 6. So the new value, the updated value for new is 6 now. Okay. Then the else block will not get executed. It will move on to the print statement. So let's update. Here it will be now 6 hyphen. Okay. Then after the print statement we have the floor division operation and it is given Floor division equal to 10, right? So let's see. Given is equal to, what is given value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Floor division 10. So for floor division, we have to remain, for floor division of 10, we have to remove the last digit. Okay. So given value, the updated value for given is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That's all. Now you may ask a doubt here. See, in the print statement, 6 hyphen, it should get printed in the next line only, no? But it is not happening like that. It prints in the same line because there is no new line character in the print statement. We have end is equal to hyphen. Okay. If you want more about this, I mean, if you want more explanation about this, let me know in the comments. Now let's move on to the next iteration. Okay, now this is third iteration with new and given the updated values, and while given, so while is true, and if new modulus 2, let's substitute. So 6 modulus 2 is 0, right? Okay, so if is not executed, else will get executed. So what is an else? New is equal to new plus given modulus 5. Let's substitute. New is equal to new plus given modulus 5 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 modulus 5. So we have to calculate the modulus first. What is new? Actually it's 6, no? So 6 plus the modulus for this is, I mean the remainder is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So the updated value for new is 10. Okay, fine. Then what we have, the print statement. So in print statement we'll have 10 hyphen. Let's add it in the output, 10 hyphen. Okay, then we have to do the floor division. Okay, so given is equal to, what is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Floor division, as I said earlier, we have to remove only the last digit when it is, I mean when the floor division is by 10 for the positive numbers. So the updated value for given now is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so third iteration is over. Now again fourth iteration. Okay, fourth iteration with the updated values. Let's substitute. While given 1, 2, 3. So while is true, and if condition, if new modulus 2, 10 modulus 2 is what? Again, it's 0. Okay, so if it's not executed, in else part what we have? New, let's substitute. New is equal to new plus. So what is given actually? It's 1, 2, 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 modulus 5. So what is the, I mean the remainder for this is 3 actually. So new plus, what is new here? 10. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So the updated value for new is 13, and for the print statement, yeah, we'll add 13 hyphen. Okay, fine. Again floor division. So given is equal to 1, 2, 3. So the updated value for given is 12. Okay, and this fourth iteration is over. Now fifth iteration. Okay, this is fifth iteration with new value 13 and given 12. So while given, it's true if new modulus 2. So 13 modulus 2 is 1. So if is true, so if blocks, sorry, if block gets executed. So what is there? New plus equal to. So given is 12. 12 modulus 10. So the remainder is 2. So new is equal to new plus, right? So what is new? 13 plus 2. So 13 plus 2, 15. So we got the updated value for new. So let's update it in the output, 15. Okay, fine. Then print, yeah, we updated with hyphen. Okay, then floor division given. So what is given? 12 floor division 10. So now the updated value for given is 1. Okay. Okay, this is sixth iteration with new value 15 and given 1. So while given, it's true. So if block, if new modulus 2. So it's 15 modulus 2. So the remainder is 1. So if block gets executed. So new plus equal to given modulus 10. 1 modulus 10 is 1. Okay. So let's add it with new. What is new already? It's 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay. So let's update the print statement. 16 hyphen.
Okay. So the new value, the updated value is 16. And if we do floor division, the answer is 0. Okay. So that's all. So again, if we go back to the while loop, while is 0. So that's all. The loop is finished. Okay. So this is the output 1 hyphen, 6 hyphen, 10 hyphen, 13 hyphen, 15 hyphen, 16 hyphen. And now this program, in this program, what you have to know is how to do the modulus operation for these numbers. Okay, now as I told you earlier, at the end of the video, I'll quickly explain these modulus operations. So let's see how can we easily find modulus 2, modulus 5 and modulus 10 without getting confused. So for modulus 2, it's very simple. If the number is even, the remainder is 0. If the number is odd, the remainder is 1. You can see the examples also. Okay, and for modulus 5, if it is, look at the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 5, it's 0. For 1 or 6, it's 1. For 2 or 7, it's 2. Yeah, when you calculate for simple numbers, it's very easy, right? So when you divide 7 by 5, 7 divided by 5 is of course 2. We all know that. If it is a bigger number, you have to just look at the last digit. Okay, so examples are given here and just know this pattern. That's it. Okay, fine. Now for modulus 10, the remainder is always the last digit. Okay, examples are given here. That's all about this.